Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. So today I'm here to show you how you can make Zomi in just 15 minutes, max 20 minutes. You have your Zomi. Amazing taste. You will love this. So stay with me and I'll show you how I got this. So family, here is the oil that we are coming to revamp. Okay, it says Ghana Taste Zomi, right? It's 2 liters. I bought it for £8.49. Okay, so this is what I want you to see here. I think in my Zomi video I mentioned, I don't know if you can see it. You see, product of Malaysia. And my question is, how can Malaysia make Zomi to our satisfaction, right? So I'm coming to correct that mistake that they have made, because it surely doesn't taste anything like Zomi. Okay, so what I have is this palm fruit in Culinary palm soup base. Okay, the Ghana's original, and that one says it's made where. It's giving the Ghana address, location, and everything. Yes, but the product of made in where, produced by Culinary Industries, so Ghana, right? So it's made in Ghana, right? So this one is £3.59. So if you want proper Zomi, open it. You see that this one has already got some oil on top, so I'm going to pour that in. Just a little bit of oil. So that is the base. Yeah, we're going to be using all of it, all of the base. Because we'll get some oil from this as well. Yeah, this is us. We'll give it some heat. We get one and shatter the filter. Okay. We put that in, and then we are going to mix this. Make sure it's nicely mixed. Right. The next thing is I'm going to add some salt. About 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Yeah, I'll taste it and make sure that's very salty before I'll add some more. So just starting with 1 tablespoon once I mix everything. So don't forget, you're going to add 2 liters of oil to 780 grams of that is in weight. Milliliters, was the millimeters, was the milliliters, Djomi. Nice. 2 tablespoons. I have to be salty. Salty is good, right? So we are going to fry this. It will boil and it will fry until we see the sediments. And I sediments, I'm going to say, sediment. Make sure I'm correct. I'm so proud of myself. I remember sediment. Life in this world is indeed a great struggle. Yeah, so we'll let this boil and then we'll come back to it. Yeah, started boiling. So what is we doing right now is we're going to let this thing boil. Okay, so you try as much as possible not to abandon your post too much. Okay, so it's a constant stirring thing, but then you can make concessions here and there, you know, by if you stir a little bit and you can move away and do something for like a few seconds and you come back. You just don't abandon it completely. You can just, you know, leave it to boil a bit and you come back, yeah, and stir. So we're going to boil it until it reduces. It changes to a very thick consistency. Okay, just like so. Okay, now you add your fake Zomi. Come on. Added the oil, obviously. You see me do that, and then I'm going to let it all fry. Okay, with the paste, I'm going to fry until it turns dark. Then it means that all the nuttiness in the paste, you know, in the shishi, right? The sediment, right? In there, it's actually infused into the oil until it is nice and light and it smells and it tastes like Zomi. Let me see if it does actually taste salty. Very nice. It's not even infused properly, but you can taste the nuttiness of the paste. So we're going to let this, yeah, we'll let it melt and then we'll let it fry until the shishi turns dark, and then we know that our Zomi is ready. So we'll come back and we'll see how it turned out to be. Tastes good, trust me. It tastes so good. I love the taste. It's amazing. It's just like Zomi already. So yeah, I'm happy with that. At this point, my kitchen smells like gobe spot. It smells, it's like you want to eat the atmosphere. It's so good. It smells like, Makola Market, where they sell the Zomi base. Very good, amazing. So it is done. I'm going to be showing you the shishin, the sediment, and you see that Charlie, the Zomi is done. So this hack here is like 15-20 minutes, you are done, depending on how high your stove is. Look at the color, exactly like Zomi. Look at it, and that is the shishi for you. Okay, so let it settle. I'm going to pack it all into my containers. I don't store my oil in bottles because where I am, it tends to sleep. She said, I'm going to eat that. And when it sleeps and I want some, now that I'm going to wait for it to melt or shake my bread. So I normally keep it in containers where I can scoop with a spoon. So I will do that. And then, yeah, that is it. So I am so grateful for you all joining me today. And I will see you in the next one.